So today it's order of operations. Before we get into problem one that's over there, let's look over to that right-hand side and let's remind ourselves about our order of operations. First thing we're always looking for is those parentheses. So if we see parentheses, we need to go inside of them first. Exponents, so what's the next thing that's on our radar? And we do want to remember that your exponents are repeat multiplication. So when I look at someone like that 3 to the second power that's there, I've got to remind myself that, hey, it's 3 times 3 for an answer of 9. So remember, repeat multiplication. Then it's any multiplication or division, and then it's addition and subtraction. We do need to keep in mind, though, we are going left to right when it comes to multiplication and division. So sometimes we divide first, and sometimes we end up multiplying first. Yeah, little things there. Same thing with addition and subtraction. It's not always add first. Sometimes we will end up subtracting first as we go from left to right. All right, let's apply it here. So let's look at the problem we've got on the left-hand side here. We're just going to go right through the list. Do you see any parentheses? I do. So because of that, I need to go inside those parentheses first, and I need to handle that. So when I see 2 plus 5, right, that's where we're going to end up beginning at. So I like to underline what we're doing first, because this way I'm focusing on the problem and getting rid of the information I'm no longer using. 2 plus 5 is 7. I'm just going to bring down everyone else I haven't used. Still going to bring down that multiplication sign. Still got to bring down the 3. Still the plus. Still the 2. Still the division. And still the 10. All right? Look at my writing. Looks like I'm a 6th grader, huh? Okay. Now, any parentheses? No more. I didn't need them because I finished everything of what to do inside of it. So now I'm looking for exponents. I don't see any. So now I'm going to multiplication or division. So who shows up first? As you go from left to right, who is there? Well, it's the division. All right, so 10 divided by 2 is a 5. We'll add the 3 times the 7. I'm still going through my list. I already said there were no parentheses. I already said there were no exponents. Any other multiplication or division? And yes, there is. I've got me some multiplication right there. So I'm going to underline it. 3 times 7 is 21. Bring down who I haven't used, and then we finish it, and we say hello to the answer of question number 26. So in our second problem here, let's again go through those order of operations. I'm looking off to the right-hand side. Do I see any parentheses? I do see parentheses. Okay, so we've got to go inside there first. Now, the thing to keep in mind here is I still need to follow my order of operations. And the exponents, do you see the exponent that's there? Yeah, now here's the thing. Inside the parentheses or outside the parentheses? It's outside. So we're not focusing on the exponent right now. We're working inside where that 4 minus 3 plus 3 is. What should we do first? Well, when I go down my list, I only see addition and subtraction inside there. And as I can see here, it is an or statement when it comes down to it. It's addition or subtraction from left to right. So when you go left to right, who showed up first? That subtraction definitely did. So 4 minus 3 gives me a 1. I'm just going to bring down everything else I haven't used. Now do notice that we still have our parentheses that are here. And the reason why they have still shown up is because we haven't finished what's inside them. So we need them. Let's finish it off. 1 plus 3 is a 4. Now I can get rid of my parentheses. Don't forget to bring that exponent down. And again, we're going to bring down everyone else we didn't use. Oh my goodness, that's a lot of 2's that are there. All right, so now as I'm scanning at this, all right, parentheses were first. Done with them. Exponents is second. I've got them. Yeah. So 4 to the second power. Remember, exponents are your repeat multiplication. So that's really 4 times 4. Say hello to 16. Bring down everyone we haven't used. The times, all right? The 2, the plus, the 2, the division, the other 2, the minus sign, the 10 that we've got there. All right, so parentheses, gone. Exponents, gone. Any multiplication or division. Yes, let's go from left to right. Who showed up first? Well, that division certainly did. 2 divided by 2, that's a 1, so I'll put my 1 right underneath it. Again, we'd like to underline it and then just bring everyone down all around it. I've used that 2 divided by 2, so that's gone. I do need to bring down my plus 2, my multiplication, and my 16. All right, I see subtraction, I see addition. When I go over to my chart here, I can see that multiplication is certainly higher in the chart than addition or subtraction. So let's take care of that. 2 times 16, that's a double. That's there because we're multiplying by 2. That gives me a 32. Bring down who I didn't use the addition sign, didn't use that 1, the minus, or the 10. And now when I look there, it's just addition and subtraction. So I'm just going to go from left to right here. So 10 minus 1, 9. 9 plus 32, 41. And there's my winning answer. That's there. So that one's got a lot, but that's a good one because it kind of goes through everything that we see.